Okay, today I'm going to try and make one of these little flowers, and we're going to start with a piece of 1/4-inch quilling. Take your scissors and you just fringe it, little snips, not all the way, almost all the way. I don't know if you can see that, it's very close to the end. And you snip along the whole way. I have one right here that's already done. We take our quilling tool, we put it in the end, and we turn it. Try to keep the two ends flat. That's why I have my finger on each side. And make it a little bit tight. Not too tight. And put a little bit of glue at the very end. Try to keep everything tightly together. Hold it there for a second. Pull it off. I like to make sure it's flat. Then I glue the end. This way it stays together before I uncurl it. So this is the final product. The glue is dried. So all you do is you take your thumbs and you just splay the little pieces out to open up the cute little flower. And then to make the little stem, I have a piece of wire, like the floral wire. It's probably like an inch, inch and a half. Take that. Then I take some more glue, put a good amount in the center, stick it in, and then I always try and put just a little bit on top to try and help it a little bit up top. And there we are. We have a cute little flower. So I'm just getting started on TikTok, but I do have a few videos on YouTube, so you can check out my link in my bio. Thanks.